looking to move to Richland Chambers Lake and you're exploring subdivisions that offer just a little bit more than the use of that boat ramp, well, we are going to highlight 4 of the subdivisions on Richland Chambers Lake that offer a lot when it comes to the community amenities. And for a little added bonus, I'm going to tell you about another new subdivision that is waterfront, but it's on Lake Halbert and CORSICANA, that also offers a ton. And if you're new here, I'm Miriah Zuniga. I'm a local real estate agent and a resident here on Richland Chambers Lake. We help people just like you who are looking to make a move to Richland Chambers a smooth one. And we would love to be that resource and guide for you as well. Feel free to contact us or grab some free goodies below. All that is in the description. Now, let's get to it. We are going to kick off on the south side of Richland Chambers, and that is in Sandy Cove. Sandy Cove is a gated community that includes a boat ramp, a beautiful community pool with a clubhouse and entertainment area. This subdivision was originally platted for 30 plus plats, with currently about 10 homes built here. Homes do not come up for sale often here. However, you can currently find lots for sale for you to build your dream home here. As of 2024, the average waterfront lot is selling for 1 acre at an average of $180,000. And off water on the market, you can find 4 acres at $90,000 and 2 acres at $80,000. When it comes to the HOA fees and restrictions here, there is an annual HOA fee of $800 annually and requires a minimum of 3,000 square feet to build. Next is the Southpoint subdivision. This is also a gated subdivision. It offers a pool, pavilion, as well as a boat ramp and fishing pier for residents. This subdivision was originally platted for 130 plus plats. Unlike Sandy Cove subdivision, we have seen a lot more turnover here. There are about 40 homes now in the subdivision, and as of June 2024, waterfront homes average just at $1 million. When it comes to land, the average waterfront lot came to an average of 1 acre at $240,000 and off water at an average of 1 acre at $64,000. And when it comes to HOA information here, Southpoint requires a fee of $695 annually for off-water properties and $1,000 annually for on-water properties. And requirements when building a home here are only a minimum square footage requirement of 1,600 square feet. We're going to move to another part of the lake now, right off 287, the Shore Subdivision. This subdivision is a gated community and offers a boat launch, clubhouse, fitness center, a pool, a volleyball court, a stocked pond with fishing pier, barbecue grills, and boat docks. This subdivision is also larger than the other 2 we just spoke about and has a lot of movement when it comes to the real estate market. Looking at the last 365 days, waterfront homes, there are 13 homes to hit the market and close with an average sales price of $1.1 million. And a total of 79 undeveloped lots to hit the market and sell. Waterfront had an average of 0.67 acre at $250,000 and off-water averaged at 1.8 of an acre for $60,000. When looking at the HOA fees here for off-water is $950 annually and on-water is $1,200 annually, with a minimum square footage of 1,800 square feet. With the shores also, one thing that brings uniqueness to it is that they allow for part-time RV stay here. It has some restrictions to it, of course, but those that want a subdivision that offers amenities and not really build a home, but still utilize their property, that's one thing that draws people here to the Shore Subdivision. Now, we're going a little more north off of 637. You'll find Richland Park. This is one of the newer subdivisions on the lake, and it is a gated community. It offers an on-site marina, picnic areas, stone fire pits, overwater fishing pier, gazebos, and a dedicated playground and walking trails. When you look at the real estate market here, there are not any home sales yet to show, but looking at undeveloped lots, we will find a lot of active properties, but nothing yet closed here. I said this is one of the newest subdivisions that recently sold by auction. On-water lots average at 1.3 of an acre for $239,000 and off-water at 1.3 of an acre for $62,000. Now the HOA fee is $900 annually, a minimum square footage of 1,600 square feet. I do want to note also that Richland Park is a short-term rental friendly with a minimum stay of 3 days. And lastly, like I mentioned, the subdivision that's not on Richland Chambers Lake, however, is still on water and offers a lot when it comes to amenities. And that is Waterfront Club, which are lots on Lake Magnolia and Barefoot Bay on Lake Halbert. Here you will have some amazing amenities like the clubhouse, fitness center, the pool, putt-putt, yeah, I said putt-putt, fire pit, boat docks, balcony top hangout, tennis and pickleball courts, and walking trails. When it comes to real estate market here, you can find an average of waterfront lots at 2.3 acres for $190,000. and off-water at 1.4 of an acre for $110,000. The HOA fees for being able to enjoy this one-of-a-kind community: Barefoot Bay is $1,200 annually, and Waterfront Club is at $1,400 annually, both with a minimum square footage of 1,600. Now, there are over 60 different subdivisions around Richland Chambers Lake. We hit just a couple of them, and the ones that offer the most when it comes to amenities. Most of the other subdivisions you find around the lake, they will offer you that community boat ramp, nothing like we just talked about now. So if you're looking for a neighborhood that offers you more than just the lakeside living, make sure to check these out that I just talked about. And check out some of our other videos as well to learn more about the other subdivisions around Richland Chambers Lake. Until next time, we hope to see you around and be that resource for you when you're looking to make a smooth move to the lake here. My name is Miriah. See you around.